Hello, I welcome you all to Maths Teachers. So today we'll be looking at problems under fractions. So we have about 4 examples here to look at. So let's solve them one after the other. So we have solution. The first one is what? 1 whole number 2 over 3 divided by what? 2 whole number 2 over 5 of 1 whole number 1 over 2 minus 2. So problems under fractions are solved using BODMAS, like as I explained in our previous video. So we apply BODMAS, but before then, there are mixed fractions here. So we need to convert them to what? To improper fractions. Okay, so we're going to have what? 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is what? 5 over what? 3 divided by what? 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2 is what? 12 over what? 5 of 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is what? 3 over 2 minus what? 2. Okay, so we are going to apply our BODMAS, and from BODMAS we have bracket first. Okay, so we're going to be solving everything inside the bracket first before any other thing. So we're going to have 5 over 3 divided by what? We have 12 over 5. Of means what? Times. So we're going to have times 3 over 2. Okay, so minus 2. So this will give us 5 over 3 divided by what? This is 12 over 5 times 3 over 2. Now 2 can still divide 12 to give us what? 6. Okay, so 6 times 3 is what? Is 18 over what? 5 minus what? 2. That will give us what? 5 over 3 divided by what? We'll have the LC here. We're having 18 over 5 minus 2. This is certain as over 1. So the LCM of 5 and 1 is what? Is 5. So we'll have 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1 times 18 is what? 18 minus 5 divided by 1 is 5 times 2 is what? 10. So we're going to have 5 over 3 divided by what? 18 minus 10 is what? Is 8 over what? 5. So we're having this now. Okay. So now here we are having division, and this will give us 5 over 3 times. So when you change division to times, the next fraction after it will turn upside down. Okay, so you invert it. So that will give us what? That will give us 5 over what? Over 8. Okay, so then nothing can cancel here. So we're having 5 times 5 is what? Will give us 25 over what? 3 times 8 is what? Is 24. So this is our answer, but you can still convert this to what? To proper fraction. Okay, and that will give us what? 25 divided by 24 is what? 1. Remember what? 1 over what? Over 24. So this is our final answer here. So now let's look at the second problem, which is what? Here we're having, that is number 2. Number 2 is 1 whole number 1 over 2 plus 1 whole number 1 over 3 divided by what? 2 whole number 1 over 4 minus 1 whole number 1 over 2. So here we are having this plus this, then everything divided by what? What we have on the what? The denominator. Okay, so first of all, let's know what this will give us. Let's know what the numerator will give us and know what the denominator will give us. Then we can now continue from there. Okay, so but first of all, we're having mixed fractions, so let's convert them to what? To improper fractions. So we're going to have 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is what? We're having 3 over what? 2 plus what? 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is what? 4 over 3 divided by what? 4 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is what? Is 9 over 4 minus 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is what? 3 over 2. Okay, so we're going to find the LCM of 2 and 3 and also find the LCM of what? 4 and what? 2. Okay, so what is the LCM of 2 and 3, which is what? Which is 6. So we're going to have, that will give us 6. We are dealing with the numerator now. We are dealing with the numerator. Okay, so the LCM of 2 and 3 is what? 6. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 3 is what? Is 9 plus what? 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 8 is what? 2 times 4 is what? Is 8. So over, now for the denominator, the LCM of 4 and 2 is what? Is 4. Okay? Is 4. Then 4 divided by 4 is what? 1 times 9 is what? 9 minus 4 divided by 2 is 2 times 3 is what? 6. So we are having this. So 9 plus 8 is what? 9 plus 8 will give us 17. So there we are having 17 over what? 6 divided by what? Now 9 minus 6 is what? Is 3 over 4. So this is what we have now. We have 17 over 6 divided by what? By 3 over 4. Okay, so let's continue our solving from there. So let me clean this side. So that is certain as what? Is certain as 17 over 6 divided by what? 3 over what? Over 4. Okay, so if we change the division to 2 times, the fraction after it, we invert it or we turn it upside down. So that will give us what? That will give us 17 over 6 times what? 4 over what? 3. Okay, so 2 can go here, giving us 2, and 2 can go here, giving us what? 3. Okay, so that will give us what? That will give us 17 times 3 is what? Is 34. So we have 34 over what? 6. So this is our answer, but this is in improper fraction, so we can still convert it to what? To mixed fraction. Okay, so 34 divided by 6, that will give us what? That will give us, that will give us 5. Remainder what? Remainder 4 over what? Over 6. So this is our final answer here. Okay, so let's look at the next problem, which is number 3. For the number 3, we have number 3. We have 2 whole number 1 over 2 plus 1 whole number 2 over 5 minus 1 whole number 1 over 2 over 3. So these are in mixed fractions, so we need to convert them to what? Improper fractions. So we have 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is what? 5 over 2 plus 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2 is what? 7 over 5 minus 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is what? Is 5 over 3. Okay, so since we have them in improper fraction now, so it's now, we can now proceed from there. So if you look at this, we're having just plus and minus, so you can find the LCM together. Okay, so the LCM of 2 and 5 and 3, 30 should be the LCM. So here 30 divided by 2 will give us what? 15. 15 times 5 will give us what? Will give us 75 plus 30 divided by 5 will give us what? Will give us 6. 6 times 7 will give us what? 42. Minus 30 divided by 3 will give us 10. 10 times 5 will give us what? 50. Okay, so this will give us 75 plus 42 minus 50 over 30. So 75 plus 42 will give us 117. Okay, that will give us 117. Then minus 50 over what? Over 30. Okay, so that will give us what? That will give us 117 minus 50 will give us 67. Okay, over 30. So we're having 67 over 30. Now this is in improper fraction, so we can still break it down. So how many times can 30 divide 67? That is 2 times. So that will give us 2 number. What will remain? 7 over 30. So this is our answer there. So please, I want you to try the last one. That is number 4. I want you to try number 4, which is what? Which is 2 whole number 1 over 6 plus 3 whole number 3 over 5 divided by what? 1 whole number 1 over 8. And share your answer on the comment section. Thank you and God bless you.